Welcome to Mattermind. You will have only 5 seconds to guess the correct answer. Let's start. When was the first international cricket match held? (1844). When was the first international football match held, recognized by FIFA? (1872). When was the first FIFA World Cup held? (1930). Who won the first FIFA World Cup? Uruguay. Who hosted the first FIFA World Cup? Uruguay. Which country won the highest FIFA titles? Brazil. Which country won the most World Cup in cricket? Australia. Who won the most gold medals in Olympics? Michael Phelps. Which country won the most gold medals in Olympics till 2022? United States. Who holds the record of highest runs in World Cup matches? Sachin Tendulkar. Who holds the record for the highest wicket in the World Cup? Glenn McGrath. Who was the first cricket player to represent more than one country in the World Cup? Kepler-Wessels. Kepler-Wessels played for Australia in 1983 and South Africa in 1992. Who holds the record of fastest ball in international matches as of 2022? Shoaib Akhtar. Shoaib Akhtar's fastest ball of 161.3 km/h against England in 2003. Which is the most valuable sports team in the world till 2021? Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys is valued at $5.7 billion USD as of 2021 Forbes data. When was the first Super Bowl held? (1967). Who won the first Super Bowl title in 1967? Green Bay Packers. Who holds the record of most goals in career in soccer? Cristiano Ronaldo. Who holds the record of most goals in history of the FIFA World Cup? Miroslav Klose. Who holds the record of most goals in a single season of the FIFA World Cup? Just Fontaine. When was the first hockey game played? 1875. Which country won the most Hockey World Cup? Pakistan. Which country won the most gold medals for hockey in Olympics? India. Who won the highest Grand Slam titles? Rafael Nadal. Who is the fastest man in the world? Usain Bolt. Who is the present undisputed chess world champion in 2022? Magnus Carlsen. We hope you enjoy the quiz. Please give thumbs up if you have enjoyed the quiz. Let us know your score in the comment, and check out our other videos.